Very good morning, friends. In this video, we are going to work out a problem on a pentagonal lamina which is going to touch the vertical plane by one of the corners, whereas the opposite side is on HP. So finally, it is going to rest like this, my friends. So finally, in the top view, you should get a distorted pentagon. In the front view also, you should get a distorted pentagon. And in the question for today's video, it reads like this. A thin pentagonal plate of side 30 touches VP by one of its corners at a height of 20 mm from here, and the side opposite to it lies on HP. So friends, what we do, we will place the lamina on HP with one of the side normal to VP and obtain the top and front views to start with. So friends, we will have a pentagon as the top view of the lamina which is resting on HP with this side say this AB normal to VP. We will call this as ABCDE, and this has a measurement of 30 millimeter as per the specification in the problem. Friends, as usual, it is seen as a line in the front view. So I project lines from all these, from this A, E, D, etc., and obtain its front view a horizontal line on XY. We can just number this as A dash B, this is C dash E dash, and this is D dash. And we will call the length of this as, or will represent this length as M. M is the distance between AB and this maximum width. So this M can be measured using our scale. So now the lamina is resting on HP, friends, like this with this side perpendicular to VP. Now he says one of the corners should be on VP. So when one of the corner is on VP, the opposite side will be in HP. So how to obtain that? He has given the restriction that the corner is touching VP at a distance of 30 millimeter. Friends, I am going to draw a thin line here at a distance of 20 millimeter from XY. So when I know this inclination, I know this front view length will remain the same. So I will take some point at random. That point is our A dash B dash. Taking A dash B dash as center and this distance M as radius, I am going to draw an arc. And that arc cuts the locus of this corner D at this point. We'll get this point as D dash. So friends, I will repeat. Taking A dash B dash as center, some point at random, and the radius equal to M, I have drawn an arc to cut the locus of the corner D at a height of 20 mm because they should not go beyond that. So friends, I am going to join these by straight line and going to mark the C to the correct measurement. This C is marked here. This is C dash E dash. Friends, this is how the lamina looks when its surface is making some angle theta with HP. And they might also ask you in the examination to find out what is the angle made by the surface. So theta can be found out using the protractor. Friends, now we will get the corresponding top view. So on this A and B line, so horizontal from A, vertical from A dash, they meet here and we get the point A. Similarly, we are going to get the point B here, and C and E will fall on this. So horizontal from here, this point is going to be E, and this point on the other end is going to be the point C. This D lies exactly between these. We should pass through, draw a vertical line from there, a vertical line from C dash, D dash, sorry, a horizontal line here from this. They meet at this point and we call this point as point D. So we got all the five corners of the lamina, join them by straight line. This is how it looks in the top view when its surface is making some angle theta which can be measured as I have told before. Friends, it says in the question, it has to be at a height of 20, whereas the side opposite to it lies on HP. So friends, the corner D is on VP. So when you look from the top, that D, the top view of that point should fall on XY. So friends, I am going to redraw this figure such that this side AB becomes parallel to VP with this D touching the XY line. Friends, to make easy construction or reproduction of this figure, I am going to enclose this distorted pentagon in the top view by a box called PQRS. P, this is Q, and this point is R, and this point is S. Finally, friends, in the last step, we should be extremely careful. So, now what I do, I will just redraw this box with S R coming on the XY line because D should be on this. So, friends, I am going to construct that box again here for the same dimension, whatever you have here. That only thing is this SR should come here. This is say P Q R S because that point D is on SR exactly in the center of that is the point D. So friends, in this box you can locate what is AB or where AB is. So AB should be again 30 mm. From P to A, take that measurement. And again from Q to B, you have the same measurement. This is going to be point A. This is going to be point B. D you have got. And near to R, on QR, you should get C. Near to R, you are going to get this point. That is point C. This is D. This point is E. Friends, we have got all the five corners A, B, C, D and E of the lamina in the top view. We will join them by straight line like this. So A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E and E to A. Friends, this is how the lamina looks in the top view finally. So we have got the final top view of the lamina. Friends, corresponding to this, let us obtain the front view of the lamina. So project points one by one, friends. So draw a vertical line from a horizontal line from here, A dash, they meet here. So this point is going to be A dash. Similarly, you are going to get point B dash here because this A dash and B dash are on that. Next, on CE, you are going to get this point C here and point E here. So you have got the point C and E here. This is one point C dash. This is E dash and D, a horizontal line. Draw a horizontal line through D dash, a vertical line through the, they meet here. The point of intersection will give you D dash. Friends, we have got all the five corners A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash and E dash. We will join them by straight line. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E and E to A. Friends, we will call this as A dash. This is B dash, C dash, D dash and E dash. Friends, this will give you the final front view of the lamina. And friends, after completion of the problem, we have to verify whether the solution we have got, that is the projections of the lamina, are right or wrong. So you yourself can verify and see whether the last two views satisfy all the requirements of the question. Friends, in the question it says, thin pentagonal plate touches VP by one of its corners. Here, D dash is the corner which is on VP. And since that corner is on VP, its top view should be on XY. So D is on XY. The first condition is satisfied. Next, friends, he says that corner touching VP should be at a height of 20 mm. Corner touching VP is D. D is at a height of 20 mm. So the second condition is also satisfied. And friends, finally, what does he says? This side opposite to that, the corner is D, side opposite to that is AB. AB, the distance of that AB can also be asked. It is touching like this, friends. Now, they might ask you in the question, what should be the distance of the side, or what is the distance of the side AB touching VP from HP? So, friends, if you measure this distance, this will give you, so I'll write down here, distance of side, that is AB, touching VP, touching HP from VP. So this will be generally asked. So you will be able to measure the distance. What is the distance of the corner from HP? Distance of the side from VP. Distance from VP is measured below the XY line. Friends, I am very sure that you have followed completely the instructions on this particular problem. This is again a very important problem from the viewpoint of examination, and as you are seeing, the most favorite question on lamina is on a pentagonal lamina only, and hence I am doing all important problems on this lamina, and this will help you in the examination to score very good mark. Friends, go through the complete video, and if you like this video, please share with all your friends without fail. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube video.